So this is our, we call it the Machines and Concept Lab. This is where we have our equipment, pardon me, this is where we have our equipment to teach about electrical machines and different power concepts like inductance, capacitance, resistance, power factor, transformation. So the company we use is LabVolt, but there are lots of others. Plus we've made lots of our own tools and supplies to go along with the LabVolt equipment. So we have 8 stations. We can accommodate 16 students per station. Metering that we have here. So we have, students are not very tidy, but so we've got 25 volt transformer, function generators, 25 volt split Agilent, current limited power source. On the bottom shelf we've got 20 megahertz oscilloscope, and then those meters that are over there are just like these. There are bench meters. Our students don't use the bench meters a whole lot. The reason why they don't use the bench meters a whole lot is because that's our IT is November is technology or phishing awareness. The software that we use connects to our computer system, and we can get all of our metering on the screen. So we can do 3 separate voltmeters, 3 separate ammeters. We have torque, we can measure torque, speed, power factor, 3-phase power, single-phase power. We can calculate, the computer will calculate impedance, etc. So it's just a tool that we use to help us teach the concepts. We can, like I say, we use this to teach everything from basic circuit theory, Ohm's law, series and parallel resistances, all the way through to our 3rd year subject matter. 3rd year is 3-phase. For us, it's equivalent to your levels 5, and our 4th year is about equivalent to your level 6, where we would teach speed control and motor speed drives, such as this thyristor speed controller that we would have up there. We teach everything from very simple PLC control on the very simple PLC control. So those are what we call programmable relays, through to industrial control. We also have 4 towers of motor management equipment. So here's 2 of the towers. So under and over voltage control, motor power factor control, phase balance control, so those sorts of things that we teach as well. just to give you kind of an idea of some of the stuff that we've got that we use. In behind the plastic bags here, we have our vector, flex vector control drives, so basically a three-phase drive for a motor. So we've taken and we've built our own 12 lead motors. We just buy the chassis from the company Ladvolt, and then we have our tool crib person, our equipment technician, build the equipment. And so this is a 12 lead motor, and we have them silk screen in the plastic's cracked there, but we have them silk screen in the specifications, etc., onto a transfer, and yeah, so it's cheaper for us to buy to do this than it is to purchase the same similar thing from Ladvolt. Ladvolt doesn't always offer the same, and we have, in most cases, we have 8 of each. Sometimes we have 9. So there's a picture of a thyristor speed controller.